God. That's a rubbish intro. But hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is my Rubik's Cube collection. Part 3! I guess I got a new Rubik's Cube just now. There's my 1x1 Rubik's Cube. It takes like under a second to solve. It probably takes like 0.1 seconds to solve. How crazy is that? I know, really crazy, but that Rubik's Cube, you guys seen it before. It's amazing. It works really well. The side texture is super good. So does this one right here. The green at the, why does it have the green at the top? I don't know. Use this one. The 4x4. I'm not being able to solve it just yet. Oh no, I don't want you guys to see my 5x5 yet. And there's my 5x5 right here. Pretty good, huh? Still can't solve it because I accidentally mixed it up. And I was like, oh, this is gonna be really easy to solve because I only like moved it and I only like mixed it up in like 3 moves. And then I just tried to put it back and I just couldn't solve it. So now I'm stuck with this. Yeah, now I'm stuck with this. So yeah. Please, God, help me. Oh. Yeah, I got a line. I got a line. Alright, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.